Welcome to Echo Wisdom, the YouTube channel dedicated to exploring the mysteries of the deep sea. In today's episode, we have a captivating story to share, one that proves the deep sea is not as dangerous as recent events might suggest. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed. The vast majority of deep-sea exploration is nothing like the OceanGate disaster that made headlines. Let's begin by diving into the story of a beloved beard sacrificed to science. In February 2020, marine biologist and Professor Craig McLean invited a non-expert to join him on a deep-sea adventure. But before embarking on their journey, they had to undergo a safety briefing for the DSV Alvin submersible. Two proudly bewhiskered scientists were informed that they had to shave their beards to ensure a proper seal with the emergency breathing apparatus. Reluctantly, they agreed, understanding the importance of safety. Craig McLean said, "I look like Charlie Brown without facial hair, so I was not enthusiastic about it. But, safety first." With their handlebar mustaches intact, they were ready to descend into the depths of the Gulf of Mexico. The tragic OceanGate Titan incident, which claimed 5 lives, has raised concerns about the public perception of deep-sea submersible research. However, it's essential to acknowledge that with proper safety precautions, deep-sea dives are generally safe. Take the Alvin submersible, for example. Since its launch in the mid-1960s, it has completed over 5,000 dives without any deaths or serious injuries. The Alvin has been a reliable tool, not just for scientists but also for over 10,000 observers who have had the opportunity to witness the wonders of the deep sea. Its impeccable track record speaks volumes. Despite this, the recent submersible disaster has scientists concerned about the future of their work. Craig McLean said, "My scientist text thread is worried. We don't want this disaster to turn the public against deep-sea submersible research. Deep-sea research is vital for understanding our world, but if the public doesn't grasp the intricacies of this work, tragic incidents like the Titan disaster could discourage future generations from pursuing or supporting manned submersible research. It's only natural to feel a sense of apprehension about diving 6,000 feet deep into the ocean inside a titanium sphere." Before the dive, questions about potential emergencies arose. The Alvin submersible boasts numerous safety features that ensure the well-being of its passengers. The sphere has detachable steel weights that can be released in an emergency, allowing the submersible to ascend to safety. An operations manual guides passengers through safety procedures, including releasing the weights, managing oxygen levels, and communicating with the surface. During the safety briefing, the passengers were informed of some unexpected rules. Cell phones were strictly prohibited, and synthetic fabrics were to be avoided. The rationale behind the synthetic fabric rule is that plastics offer gas chemicals that can be detrimental in enclosed spaces, and in the event of a fire, plastic can melt. As for citrus fruits, their oils have the potential to ignite in the presence of pure oxygen. Adhering to these safety measures might seem daunting, but the thoroughness of these protocols ensures the well-being of those aboard the Alvin. So, leaving behind cell phones and citrus fruits, we embarked on our deep-sea journey. As we descended into the water column, a breathtaking spectacle awaited us. Bioluminescent bacteria illuminated the dark water, creating a mesmerizing display of shimmering lights. We encountered fascinating creatures, such as giant isopods, swimming gracefully in their natural habitat. It was a moment of tranquility and wonder, a glimpse into the hidden depths of our planet. Deep-sea research is not a mere tourist destination. On this expedition, we had a mission to retrieve wood falls that had been dropped to the seafloor months prior. Using the Alvin's mechanical arms, we brought these logs to the surface, studying the organisms that had been consuming them. This research plays a vital role in understanding deep-sea biodiversity and the impacts of a warming climate on these ecosystems. The Alvin submersible has a rich history of paradigm-shifting discoveries. It located the sunken Titanic in 1986 and even recovered a missing hydrogen bomb in 1966. In 2010, it investigated the devastating Deepwater Horizon oil spill. And in the 1970s, it made a groundbreaking revelation: giant worms living near hydrothermal vents, thriving without sunlight and rewriting our understanding of life on Earth. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Echo Wisdom. Remember, the deep sea is a realm of wonder and discovery, and with the right precautions in place, it can be explored and protected. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more awe-inspiring content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.